Hi, I'm Gary Lekan. I'm the owner of First Lock and Security Technologies. We're a full-service residential and commercial locksmith company. On the residential side, we do rekeying and repair of any lock in your home. We also perform expert installation, including deadbolts, entry handle sets, and interior door hardware. We also specialize in decorative hardware for your front door and the interior of your home. Some of the brands we specialize in are Baldwin, M-Tech, Schlage, and European brands. We're also one of the few companies in the Bay Area that services European-style multi-point lock systems, including Hoppy, GU, and American brands like Anderson. On the commercial side, we implement and maintain master key systems for office buildings, retail centers, and warehouses. The work we perform includes panic hardware, door closers, card reader systems, and ADA-compliant hardware. The main reason to choose our company is the quality and thoroughness of the work we do. I take personal interest in the work we do and how we interact with our clients. Our techs are friendly, they're experienced, and they're well-trained, which are attributes you may not find looking for companies with a simple Google search. We are also a locally based company with a brick-and-mortar shop that I welcome you to come and experience. It's a clean, bright, lighted place for you to do business. Additionally, we work closely with our clients to schedule work around their busy schedules. Our customers are confident when they call us that they will get high-quality work and complete customer satisfaction with every job we do. I'm a registered locksmith with the Associated Locksmiths of America, as well as holding a variety of certificates with manufacturers such as Medico, Schlage, and a variety of others. I hope you'll give us the opportunity to be your lock and security specialist.